Monday, September 4. Focus. No prophet is acceptable in his hometown. What is familiar is usually taken for granted. How often have we not remembered someone from our past only to realize with regret that we never really paid attention to what they said? Jesus knew that his listeners were dismissive of him. Would we have treated him similarly? We are all seekers. We pray that God may speak to us. But strangely, we look for replies in distant places, ignoring the answers of God right here. Could it be that the very circumstances of our lives convey the voice of our Maker? Could it be that the place where I live, the state of my life, the family and society to which I belong are God's assignments to me, where He wants me to live in His light and make my small contribution? Spiritual blindness and deafness are common. However, does being attentive to God's voice mean accepting whatever comes my way without question? No. We are expected to reflect and respond from conviction. Jean-Pierre de Caussade, a 17th century Jesuit priest, coined the phrase, "the sacrament of the present moment." He pointed to God's activity in the moments of our personal histories. The call of God within what is happening in our lives, our own hometown. Fruit. Can I look at the events of my life as gifts from God in the present moment to which I must respond with faith and love?